Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for KPSC exams. Preparing for KPSC exams requires a strategic approach and consistent effort. We'll cover essential steps to help you navigate the preparation process effectively. From understanding the exam pattern to mastering time management, this guide will provide actionable insights. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and tools to confidently approach your KPSC examinations and achieve your desired results. Let's get started on your path to success. A crucial first step is to deeply understand the KPSC syllabus. This document outlines every topic you need to cover, ensuring no surprises. Next, analyze the exam pattern, noting the number of questions, marks per question, and any negative marking. For instance, some exams might have 100 questions, each carrying 2 marks. Solving at least 5 years of previous question papers will reveal recurring themes and high-weightage areas, guiding your focus and optimizing your study time. Effective study strategies are key to success. Begin by crafting a realistic daily study schedule, allocating specific time slots for each subject. Prioritize topics, perhaps dedicating 60% of your time to high-weightage areas. Consistent revision is vital. Aim for at least 2 dedicated revision sessions per week. Furthermore, taking mock tests, ideally 1 or 2 every week, helps you manage time under exam conditions and identify areas needing improvement. This structured approach significantly boosts your confidence. Your well-being is just as important as your studies. Ensure you maintain a balanced diet and get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Incorporate stress reduction techniques, such as 20 minutes of meditation or light exercise daily. On the day before the exam, focus on light revision of key notes and formulas, avoiding new topics. Finally, on exam day, arrive at the center at least 30 minutes early, stay calm, and read all instructions carefully before starting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.